What does it mean to prioritize multiple financial goals?
Prioritizing multiple financial goals means deciding which goals to focus on first, how much money to put toward each, and in what order to achieve them. This process helps you avoid feeling overwhelmed and ensures your time and resources are used efficiently, so you can make steady progress toward what matters most to you.
Why is organizing financial goals important?
Having several goals, such as saving for retirement, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, can be challenging. Organizing your goals allows you to see the big picture, clarify your priorities, and create a clear plan. This organization reduces stress and increases your motivation, helping you stay focused and consistent.
How should you prioritize competing financial goals?
Start by listing all your financial goals. Assign each goal a time frame, short, medium, or long term. Consider their urgency and impact. Emergency savings, high-interest debt, and essential needs often come first. Once basics are covered, you can allocate resources to investment, home buying, or leisure goals based on their importance to you.
Should you work on multiple goals at once?
You can pursue multiple goals, but be realistic about what's possible. Focus on top priorities and divide your money based on need and deadline. For example, contribute to retirement savings while paying extra on debts. Use tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track progress, make adjustments, and keep yourself accountable.
What strategies make goal achievement easier?
Set specific, measurable goals and break them into manageable steps. Automate contributions where possible. Review and adjust your plan regularly to stay flexible as life changes. Celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated and confident as you progress toward your financial goals.